Hello, AutoGuide viewers. Some of you longtime subscribers might remember me. Sadly, I spend a lot more time behind a desk now than I do out test driving cars, but I'm making a reappearance just ahead of the LA Auto Show because next week, in partnership with Toyota, we are doing a special Facebook Live from the show and we need your questions. As you may know, the LA Auto Show, or Automobility LA as it's now called, is next week. And Toyota is debuting not one, not two, but 5 new models. Immediately after the car's debut, I will be taking to the AutoGuide Facebook page where I'll be interviewing Toyota Group Vice President and General Manager Jack Hollis, who will be answering your questions. But before I get into what I need from you, here is a quick rundown of what we know about the new Toyota models debuting, at least so far. First, there will be the 2020 Corolla, riding on an all-new architecture with new styling, lots of safety features, and something I was really surprised to learn, automatic rev matching on the manual transmission models. Plus, there will also be a Corolla Hybrid. But that's not nearly as surprising as the upcoming Camry and Avalon TRD models. Yes, Toyota Racing Development is making a version of the Camry and Avalon. They come with upgraded suspension and brakes. It's more than just a body kit, although the Camry does come with quite a spoiler. Yes, a Camry with a spoiler. Next up is what we can only presume is an all-wheel drive Prius. Toyota hasn't confirmed anything, but they did release a single teaser image of a Prius with a ski rack driving in the snow. So if you have any questions about any of these models, post them in the comment section below. I'll be getting one of Toyota's top US executives to answer them for you. So right now, be sure to like the AutoGuide Facebook page and be watching there on the afternoon of Wednesday, November 28th. And in case you do miss it, we'll be editing a version of that video and posting it right here on our YouTube channel after the show.